Hello guys. While recently browsing through Twitter, I came across something like 50 days 50 Python projects. And the first one in it is number converter, which includes binary number converter, octal, hexadecimal, decimal numbers. So I started to try doing it. In the process, I actually coded it with some help of ChatGPT, of course. So here to explain this code, I'm starting with the input number and I'm accepting base as input, which includes 2 for binary, 8 for octal and 16 for hexadecimal, and I am choosing numbers. In decimal numbers from 0 to 9 it's actually 0 to 9, and from A to F it equals A equals to 10, B equals to 11, like that, F equals to 15, 16. So if input number is positive and greater than 0, so this is how we are calculating it. We are calculating remainder by modulo using that number with base, and we are taking that output into a string and we are printing that string. So here I named my string as list. So if the number is negative and less than 0, I am taking it as positive number by using abstract and then doing the same operation again, and while printing the output I am using negative sign to show it as a negative number. That's how it is. If the number is equal to 0, we can write the 2. If num equal to 0, print 0. That's how we are going to write it. Now we can actually run it to test whether it's working properly or not. So I am entering a number 10 and I am giving base as 2. So what output I got? 1010. Let me open Notepad. So I don't tend to open Notepad plus plus. I tend to open Notepad. So how we calculate binary numbers? We have 8, 4, 2, 1. So now our input is that 10. For that we have to give 1 at the place of 8 and 0 at place of 4 and 1 at place of 2 and 0 at place of 1. So now add this, 8 plus 2 equal to 10. That's what we got here. So let's try using negative number, or else let's try using 100 or else 1000, whatever it is. I'm going with negative 10. Let's see whether negative number is working or not. You see here, we just got negative symbol just before the output 1010, which we got previously. So that's it guys, this is how binary number converter works. If you have any doubts, please feel free to mention them in comment section. If you don't understand it clearly, don't be afraid, just ask. I'm there now, I'll help you. That's it guys, thank you, bye bye. Please do subscribe.